Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can play Spotify while playing Roblox. So this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Alright, so first open up Roblox. Alright, now go back and here let's open up Spotify and let's choose a song and play it. Okay, so when you go back to Roblox and pull this down, so here we can see that Spotify is still playing. Now let's play a random game here. Alright, now let's pause this game and check. So here we can see that Spotify is still playing in the background. So yeah, it is possible to play Spotify while playing Roblox. Alright, so I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.